The four coplanar forces shown in the diagram are in equilibrium. Underline this equilibrium and what could you write? Rx equal to 0 and Ry equal to 0. Find the values of P and theta. The four forces shown are 3P, P and 20. So let me find out Rx. For that, I assume it to be x-axis. 20 is acting vertically down, so I don't need to resolve 20. This P is acting at an angle theta, so I should resolve it. So to resolve, form a right angle triangle in this way. Now instead of walking in this way, I could go here like this, then come down. This is adjacent to theta, so it becomes P cos theta. This is opposite to theta, so it is P sin theta. Is it clear? Next. Even this P is also acting at an angle theta, so I should resolve this P as well. For that, again, form a right angle triangle. This is even adjacent to theta, so it becomes P cos theta. This is opposite to theta, so it is P sin theta. And more. Instead of walking in this way, first I will walk in this direction till here, then I move vertically up. Clear? Now, this 3P should be resolved. For that, again I need to make a right angle triangle. So drop a line down. Instead of walking in this way, I could walk here till here and then vertically up. This is adjacent to 55, so it becomes 3P cos 55. This is adjacent opposite to 55, so it becomes 3P sin 55. It's 3P. Clear? Yeah, resolving is completed. Now let's write Rx. What all are acting in positive x-axis? These two. So it is P cos theta plus P cos theta. What is acting in negative x-axis? 3P cos 55 equal to 0. Let's simplify it. As I can see, P cos theta plus P cos theta is 2P cos theta. If I send this to the other side, I get 3P cos 55. Now, what can I cancel out? I can cancel out P on both sides. So P gone. Next, I send 2 to the other side. So 2 will go in the denominator. Next, I can get theta from here if I send cos to the other side. So theta equal to cos inverse 3 cos 55 by 2, which will give you the answer 30.6 is your theta. We found theta. That means I think I get P by using Ry. So let's write Ry now. What all are acting in positive y-axis? This one and also this one. Let's write it down. P sin theta plus 3P sin 55. Now, what all are acting in negative y-axis? 20 and also P sin theta. Clear? These two are acting upwards. These two are acting downward, negative y. So minus P sin theta minus 20. Now let's simplify this. What gets cancelled? Here plus P sin theta minus P sin theta gone. So left out is 3P sin 55 equal to send 20 to the other side, it becomes 20. I want P, so I send this entire thing to the other side. So P equal to 20 by 3 sin 55. Put that in the calculator. You get P value to be 8.13. Is it clear? If you resolve it correctly, you get the answer correct. If these two lines are correct, Rx and Ry sum is easier. Everything is depending on the diagram, how you are resolving it.